Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today video title is guys how to check hotspot password in our Xiaomi phone. Guys, you want to check your hotspot password in your Xiaomi phone and guys you don't know how to check it. So guys don't worry guys, in this video guys I will show you guys how to check hotspot password in our Xiaomi phone. So guys now let's see how to check hotspot password. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys if you're new in my channel, so I first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So guys now let's start the video friends. First of all guys open your phone setting. So after on setting guys scroll it, then guys you can see your portable hotspot setting. So guys tap here, guys click on setup portable hotspot setting, and guys you can check your password from here like 986654QRRQQ my hotspot password, and guys you can on and off your hotspot from here guys, and guys you can see this one time data limit setting, so guys you can set from here. So I hope friends you have understood how to check hotspot password in our Xiaomi phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So guys now we will meet on guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.